Thank you for joining for this wonderful recipe. Along with the recipe, at the end of this video, there's also a little motivational talk for you, because I do know personally that it is not easy to lose weight. So this channel is also dedicated, along with providing good weight loss recipes, I also provide you with some motivational talks to usher you along and help you along your weight loss journey. So if you are interested, do subscribe to this channel and let us lose weight together. And let us build a community of people like yourself who cares for others and also shares with others. Thank you. Don't lose weight for looks. If you begin your weight loss journey and your greatest why is to look good for the right eyes to admire you, you do not have a strong enough why. There are many eyes that loves you just the way you are and will accept you for the rest of your life with the extra weight. So if he or she comes along, you are done with your weight loss journey. Here are some whys that may be beneficial. Number one, your health. You want your blood vessels to function, your heart, your kidney, your brain, your liver to function properly. And number two, your strength. You want optimal performance for both homework and otherwise. Number three, to destroy and ward off disease. And number four, to live a full life and to live longer. Remember, it's not for them, it's for you.